have the ticket?
The letters are on the side of the coach.
Letters on the side of the what?
Coach there, like A, B, C, D, right here. See? A, no, right here. Hey,
Oh, okay, yeah. Got
A, B,
it.
C, D.
Great, thank you. Time to board the train.
These are your seat numbers.
Okay.
And you'll just be up and to your right.
Up and to the right.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Welcome aboard, guys.
First time on a train. Becket, you're on a train. Ready for a train ride?
Me.
Are you ready for a train ride?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You got your chugga chugga choo choo in your hand?
Here we go. You ready? Yeah.
Welcome everybody. My name is Roland Hatch and I will be your passenger service attendant.
Here we go. It looks like we got plenty of seats so we can spread out, which is going to be nice. And we got a good guide too.
Folks,
Good morning.
the engine up this way.
Under the train.
Train intersection. Whoa. This is super neat. Hey, my first time riding a train.
Alright, so
Last question. So our son is really scared of the gunfire from the Wild West show, and so he was worried that it might happen while we're on the train, like the actual like fake gunfire. And I said, well, we'll ask. I don't think it's going to happen, but
no gunfire on the train.
no gunfire on the train, buddy. Okay?
You good?
Just a musician.
Hi, where y'all from?
Lafayette, Louisiana.
Louisiana, Lafayette. You're gonna have to take it back to the national park. Hey, you guys want to take a picture with me?
Birthday to you.
How about a hand for Mr. Owen working hard?
Hey,
Sit with that guy.
where you going?
You can go sit with Dad, okay?
Want to come sit with me? What do you see out there? Whoa, that's our train. The engine is pulling all the cars.
But the desert bear man in my underwear, man. I've tried to catch my share, man. I've been everywhere.
You like this song? Amelia, you want to give him his tip whenever he comes to us? $1 tip.
And where are you folks from?
Louisiana.
I played in oh, thank you, so kind. I played in Metairie before.
Oh yeah.
One thing for sure, pretty moms have pretty babies.
They do. This is the bathroom right here. Lock it up. Very similar to an airplane bathroom. I'm gonna use the body now. Making a video. Say hey everyone, I'm Becket. Say I'm Becket. I'm Becket. Are you eating all those M&Ms? Ow! I got you. Hey Becket, you want to go walk? Let's go walk the train. Do you want to go all the way through or you want to go turn around? Hello. What do you want to do? You don't know? Are you ready to go back now?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell her bye. Bye. Alright, Jacques, how fast do you think we're going?
60 miles per hour.
60? 41. Why do you think we're slowing down? Alrighty guys, we made it through the train ride. It's about 2.5 hours or so. Now we're at the Grand Canyon. We're gonna go find our lodge.
Gotta wait your turn.
Big step. We made it to the Grand Canyon! Yay! Found a friend?
Oh, this one's mine.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Alrighty guys, we got our keys to our room. This is at the Maswik Lodge. Let's go see what the rooms look like here. It worked. Alright, home sweet home. At the Maswik Lodge. Does this look good? Drop all your stuff. Alright, we got settled in our room. We are venturing out. And the guy at the front desk told us that the canyon's like 2 minutes this way. So we're gonna go and see if we can find it. Here it is. The Grand Canyon. Wow. Look at that. That is huge.
I got the picture of it.
Is that a trail down there? That I don't know if you can see it from here, from there. On that flat part.
Can you get the sky?
Beckett's just like
This is the Verkamps Visitors Center. And we're looking for Junior Ranger books here. Let's go see if they have them.
But it won't fly.
How many Junior Ranger books here?
I do. How many? 2?
Yeah, 2, please. Fantastic. Perfect. Doing our Junior Ranger books. Decided to do it inside here at the Visitors Center because it's hot outside. All right, you finished your book. You got your badge. Say your pledge.
I promise to discover all I can about the Grand Canyon National Park and share my discoveries with others. I pledge to enjoy and protect the Grand Canyon and all national parks and to be a friend to my planet Earth. Done.
No, you forgot one thing. Purple monkey dishwasher.
Purple monkey dishwasher.
Good job. High five.
Why purple monkey dishwasher?
We just decided to sit down inside of the Visitors Center since there's no table or bench to do our Junior Ranger books while Mom and Becket are taking a nap. So this is the desert lookout and the terrace is open right now. Let's go check that out. So there's buses that'll take you all around the park. We're gonna get on the express bus and we're going to the Visitors Center. The Visitors Center is closed due to COVID, so we're gonna go to the park store right over there. We're gonna get another sticker for our tool. Decided to go with this one.
Okay.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It was $3 and you get 3 of them. Alright.
They like stickers?
Did you want a sticker?
Sure.
You want a sticker?
You want one too? Okay.
Can you get one too?
You want a sticker, Becket?
No problem.
Look, reach your
I
hand in
didn't
there.
see that one.
Hey, thank you.
I hope you guys have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Thank you, you too. We're gonna go find Mather Point Viewpoint. This way.
Over here. Over there.
Go down far. Whoa.
I am not going down there.
Look at that. That is amazing. Gotta stay hydrated.
Where are we going to?
Good job, big man. Alright guys, the plan is to find ice cream, dinner, and a sunset. Hopefully we can make all that happen. Food. Alright, what are the food options here? Dinner is $31.
Pulled pork, peanut butter sliders,
Okay.
fried chicken.
Can I get an extra fork? Can I get one more fork? Thank you so much. For dinner, I got the pulled pork sandwich. What'd you just buy for $4.28?
Your after hiking reward.
What would that be?
Well, today it's cookies because the ice cream apparently can't get past like 5 o'clock.
So they have some grandma's cookies. We put them on the floor so Becket wouldn't see them yet.
delicious cookies.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That Dad didn't get to eat. For some reason, he didn't want.
Best thing ever. We had dinner, we had dessert. We're gonna try and go get that sunset now. Let's go find a sunset. The sunset? Do you like the sunset? Yeah, is it beautiful?
Color.
You see colors? What colors?
No, purple color.
You see purple colors?
There's like a little tiny bit of purple. I mean, like there's orange and blue and white.
We saw what kind of sheep was that?
Bighorn sheep.
A bighorn sheep.
I saw like 4 of them.
Yeah, coming up the mountains where we were watching the sunset. And we saw bats, a whole bunch of bats flying overhead. Not like Carlsbad Cavern bats, but there's a handful of bats, which was kind of fun. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna try and get up early and go for a hike
Wrong way. This way.
before it gets too hot. That's the plan for tomorrow. Click that video to continue the adventure with us.